Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. Now moving to next pioneer figures of Indian modern history whose contribution was remarkable over the formation of Odisha state in 1936. We shall discuss some important facts regarding the life of Madhusudan Babu, or also known as the Utkal Pride or Utkal Gaurav, or Grand Old Man of Odisha. Let's beginning with the first question. Mark the right option. Madhusudan Das was the first Odia to hold the degree of BA, MA and law. And second statement is he was not only a lawyer but also a journalist, social reformer and legislature. Which option is correct? Option A only one, B only two, option C both, option D none. And right option is option C. Option C is correct because both statement is correct. Now moving to second question, choose the incorrect option. Be careful before marking your answer. He fought for the unification of Odia speaking regions. Because of his efforts, the state of Odisha was formed on 1st April 1936, and this day is commemorated as Utkal Divas in Odisha. Which option is incorrect? Question has asked option A both incorrect, option B only first, option C only second, and option D none. And correct option is option D because both statement is correct, so option D is correct. Now moving to third question, who was the vice president of Utkal Sabha in 1889? Option A Subhash Chandra Bose, option B MG Ranade, option C Madhusudan Das, and option D Sarojini Naidu. And right answer is option C. Madhusudan Das was the vice president of Utkal Sabha in 1889. Now moving to fourth question, who protested against the discriminatory law of salt taxes long before of Gandhiji in late 1880s? Option A Mahatma Gandhi, option B Madhusudan Das, option C Sardar Patel, option D Kamraj. And your right option is option B. Madhusudan Das or Madhu Babu was who protested against the discriminatory law of salt taxes long before of Gandhiji in late 1880s. Now moving to fifth question, who was the founder of Utkal Union Conference or Utkal Sammelani in 1903? Option A Minu Masani, option B Madhusudan Das, option C Subhash Chandra Bose, and option D M.N. Roy. Viewers, be careful before marking your answer. And correct answer is option B, who was the founder of Utkal Union Conference or also known as the Utkal Sammelani in 1903 for the people of Odia region. Now moving to sixth question, who hold the title Kul Vruddha Grand Old Man of Odisha, Utkal Gaurav, Pride of Utkal, or Madhu Babu? And your option is option A Madhusudan Das, option B SN Banerjee, option C Dadabhai Nauroji, option D Mahatma Gandhi. Mark the right option, and right option is option A, who holds all the given title. Now moving to seventh question, which one of them is or written by the Madhusudan Das? First Utkal Sanatan, second Jati Itihas, and third Jananira Ukti. And option A only first and second, option B only second and third, option C all, and option D none. Which option is correct? And all the three is written by Madhusudan Das or Madhu Babu. Option C is correct answer. Now again moving to eighth question. Which one of them is are founded by Madhu Babu? Utkal Tannery in 1905. Second, Orissa Art Wear Work in 1897. Option A only two, option B only one, option C both, and option D none. And correct answer is option C, because both were founded by Madhu Babu. Now moving to second last question. Who became the first Odia to enter the Bengal Legislative Council and Central Legislative Assembly? Option A Raj Bihari Bose, option B M.N. Roy, option C Madhu Babu, and option D Bagha Jatin. Which option is correct? Who entered the Bengal Legislative as well as Central Legislative Assembly? And option C Madhu Babu was first among the Odia who entered in both assembly, in state as well as Central Legislative Assembly. Now finally the last question. Mark the incorrect option. He never joined Indian Congress. And second statement is his birthday is commemorated as Lawyers Day in Odisha on 28th April. Which option is incorrect has been asked in this question. Be careful before marking your answer. Option A both incorrect, option B only one, option C only second, and option D none. And right option is option B. Only first is incorrect because he joined the Indian National Congress but left after some time because of his demand over the separation of Odia region. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers. Follow our initiative, subscribing and liking our videos of last mile approach.